September 30th. I am on Long Beach. It goes all the way that way. And so this is the Pacific Ocean. And I have yet to dip my bike wheels into the Pacific Ocean. And I thought that this would be as good a place as any. So I'm gonna dip my wheels in the Pacific Ocean, my bike wheels. My bike is right there. You can see it there. So hopefully you'll be able to see everything. I'm gonna go out of screen for a few minutes because I gotta go all the way over there to go get my bike, and then I gotta push it through the sand to get to the water over here. So yeah, I'm gonna dip my bike wheels into the Pacific Ocean, and I'm gonna do that right now. So just bear with me as I get set up. Okay, I think I'm good. All right, back in 15 seconds. There we go, the Pacific Ocean, and I got completely soaked doing that. Thank you, Andy. Yes, heading south to warmer weather, hopefully in a week or two. Just I guess since I'm going live right now, as you can imagine from the view behind me, Vancouver Island is probably one of the most amazing places for sure in Canada, if not on the planet. I've spent multiple days exploring up and down this Pacific Rim National Park, and it's been amazing. It's been awesome. Probably going to still be here for a day or two. A few more trails for me to check out, but it's been unbelievably amazing. Anyways, yeah, that was me dipping my wheels into the Pacific Ocean. Some big waves coming in. Anyways, thought I would share that. So thanks, Melanie. Appreciate that. Yes. Yeah, oh, look at that. The water is coming in. I just got soaked. See there? There's the water. Yeah, I'm soaked. But that's all right. So, yeah. Anyways, I think I'll just sign off here, and later, guys. Bye.